Welcome back, guys. So this is our fourth tutorial for the Devops. And so till now, we in the last lecture we have installed the Java in our system and set the Java home path successfully. So in this lecture, we will install the Maven and the set all the configuration and the path for that. So if you want to install the Maven, I have provided all the commands here. But if you start from the scratch and the new software, so the better approach is just should be the Google the things and find it out from the official website and then install the things in your system. That is the better way to install the thing. So first, if you want to install the Maven, then open the official website. So there are the steps for the installing the Maven. So if you open in the download link and just scroll down, there are multiple files are available. Since we are using the Linux machine, so we not able to use the zip file. So we have to use the tar file that is available for the Linux. So we have to download that particular tar file into our Linux machine, and then we have to set the Maven home path. But how to download these tar file into the Linux machine? For that, we have one command called wget. Wget is the command that will provide the option to download any file from the Linux machine. So just we need to provide a wget and the file path, and then it's able to download the particular file into the machine. So just copy the link address for that particular tar file. Copy link address, open the machine that in that we have successfully installed Java in the last session. I'm using the same machine only. Just clear the screen and wget and then press enter. It's successfully installed. Means downloaded, not the install. For the installation purpose, just press the back button and move to the install section. So there are some guidelines is provided to install that particular file that we have downloaded. So first we have to unzip that particular file. So if you are using the window, then directly we can do the unzip, but we are using the tar file. So the command is tar xzvf and the file name. So just copy that particular command and paste it tar and just match the name Apache Maven 3.8.1 since bin tar.gz. That's a perfect. Just press enter. It will unzip the particular file. Now the next thing is we have to set the particular Maven path. But before setting the Maven path, first we need to check where the Maven is installed and where is the ideal place to place it, and then set the path. So if you open its official website and again scroll down, so they are saying to set the Maven path is to set under the OPT folder. OPT is nothing, it's the optional folder. Inside that optional folder, we have to place the Maven and then we have to set the Maven path. But currently in our machine, we are working as a root user. So if I do the ls-a, so Maven is currently present inside the root home directory. So first we have to move that particular Maven to the root home directory to the OPT folder, and then we have to set the Maven path. Now how to move this particular Maven from the root home directory to the OPT folder? So again, the Google did the same thing and the check. If you are learning the Linux, everything that you are confused, just Google it and find the command for the same. So I Google it and the CP command is there. CP is stand for the copy. That will copy one folder from your Linux machine and then it paste to the another machine. The CP is the command that is available for the copy and paste. So for that, just open the machine and call CP. The -r is the option. Since a multiple files are available in the same name, Apache Maven 1, Apache Maven 2. So if you press the -r, then it will move all the files that have the same name like Apache Maven to the folder that we have want. So just we can say Apache and Maven, then 3.8.1, and then we have to move under the OPT folder, then /OPT. That's all. Then it will recognize the OPT folder and then move that particular file. The CP is the command, hyphen is the R is the option for the move all the commands, and the folder name, and then the folder where you want to move. It's called OPT. Just press enter. It's moved successfully. Now just move CD-OPT and you do ls-a. So Maven is successfully present here. Apache Maven 3.8.1. Just CD Apache Maven 3.8.1 and ls-a. So bin is also present. So we need to set two paths. Maven underscore home is the path that we have set till the Maven folder, and the second one is the M2 path. That the M2 path is till the bin directory, because all the files is available inside the bin directory. So we will set the Maven underscore home and the M2 home. Just pwd and copy this path. Apache Maven 3.8.1. Okay, now that we have to set that particular Maven underscore home path into our best profile file. So best profile file is inside the root user home directory. So just we need to log out the same and again log in as a root user and then press ls-a. So here we are able to see the file called best profile. So open that particular file, vi, the command to open and edit that particular file. That is the best underscore profile. Sorry, typing mistake. Profile. Okay. Press the insert button to open the insert port. So Java home path is already there. Now we have to set the Maven underscore home. Enter Maven underscore home equal to, just copy the path that we have copied, opt Maven home and paste it here. And the next one is the M2. That is the same path but till bin directory. Okay, that's all. Now we have to mention the same path in the path variable also, the colon dollar Maven underscore home colon dollar M2. Then press the escape button and colon WQ naught to save that particular file and set the Maven path. So that's all. We have successfully downloaded the Maven, unzip the Maven, then move that Maven to the OPT folder, and then we have set the Maven path into the best underscore profile file. So these are the commands that is available that I will put in the description box, so you can use it for your reference. But my suggestion is, if you're learning the Linux first time, then Google it and then learn the new commands. So in the future, if you are working on the real project, then you have to install some new software, then you are able to resolve those issues by yourself, basically. So just Google the commands and whatever the suggestions provided by the Google, use that and then learn the Linux as much as. These are the commands I will put in the description box. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn URL is given on the description box. So that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will continue with the installing the Jenkins and the set the Maven home and the Java home path into the Jenkins. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for your time.